Oh, right here. I see all the wrinkles here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that is working. All right, today we're going to bring a traveling steamer. Now, everything you see is included here, including the reservoir. This is where you have to fill in the water. So let's go ahead and review a couple of the items. All right, here you get the measuring cup. This is where how you're going to pour it. You get the actual reservoir. This is where the actual water resides, including with the actual cap. Now, it also could be replaced with the bristles, so you don't have to have the bristles there and just steam things out. So you hold the button, just hold the button like that, and then when it stops, you see it how it goes? It stops, let it go. I let it go. I just to let it rest. But you could keep going. Yeah. But you have to fold it this way. You can't go down.
Yeah, how much are they selling it for? No. No, it's good.
What outfit did you order, Sammy? I think only one right now. To test me, they want to test me out on this one. Okay, let it go, and then wait.